Electric rates are getting higher and higher all the time, but if your energy bill seems ridiculous these days, it might not be what you're using, but rather things you are not using that are running up your bill. Wondering what you pay when you're away? Wonder no more. A calculator launched just in time for Halloween by Duke Energy will show you exactly how much all those power vampires in your home are costing you. We're talking about electronics that drain power 24 hours a day. Things that Andrea Krauth told us a while back were driving her crazy.
No, I always try to turn everything off. Things are usually still plugged in, but lights are turned off.
An energy analyst showed us some of the vampires in Andrea's home, like her coffee maker.
Example of one. This is a coffee maker. It's not making any kind of coffee right now, and it's sucking down a small amount of energy.
Her coffee maker costs $1.25 a month, even if she never uses it. But a bigger surprise was the high-def TV and Microsoft Xbox in her family room. Even went off.
But I would call it about 47 watts.
That's $3.30 a month. But you no longer need a watt meter to see what these hidden power hogs are costing you. Duke Energy's new Energy Slayer calculator, available even if Duke is not your electric provider, shows you what you're paying for all those unused appliances. Look at this, 2 desktop computers, $50 a year, and we're not even talking about using them. Using My House as a guide, I entered 3 phone chargers into the calculator and came up with $6 a year. I then added a DVR, cable box, and microwave, along with several other items, and I figured I'm paying $147 a year for round-the-clock energy vampires. Think I'll turn some lights off.